There's not much in the way of laws to prevent big cats from being kept as pets.
And we'd like to talk to you about the tiger you're selling.
No thanks.
Was keeping a tiger in her house.
There's as many as 10,000 privately owned tigers in the United States.
So when you think of tigers, you probably imagine a majestic cat in the jungle. However, in today's world, the largest population of tigers no longer exists in the wild, rather in the state of Texas. I mean, could you imagine Elijah here inside your home as a pet? In about a month, you would have no furniture or no walls. He would eat and destroy it all. Owning a large cat like Tarzan and Masala here can be quite expensive as well. Be it the common cold, having to get their blood work done, having to trank them just to draw blood, infected claws, neutering, anything can be thousands of dollars. PrideRock animals don't eat kibble like your pets do at home. Lions and tigers eat raw meat, which can cost about $120 per week per animal. So the purpose of the enclosure behind me is to give the animals plenty of room to roam around, tables to climb on, and pools to swim in, because enrichment is very important to the lives of these animals. That's why currently PrideRock is in the process of designing and constructing a new enclosure that will mirror this one, and we're looking at a price tag of about $100,000. That's why it's very important for you to donate for North Texas Giving Day. If you like what you just saw and would like to see more videos of our awesome animals or learn more about PrideRock, please click the subscribe button here.